So for me at the moment, while we're seeing an awful lot of volatility, I'm not overly concerned about a big sell-off at this moment in time. That doesn't mean that we won't get one if the wheels do really come off. But I think for me, it's incumbent upon our politicians to be measured in their response and allow, the dust to settle a bit and see where it all basically, see where all the cards lay now that the table's been completely upended. As far as the dollar's concerned, obviously we've broken through 110 against the euro. We've broken through 130 against the pound. The bigger question for me is, where do we go to next? I mean, obviously we've seen a big move higher in euro dollar today, a very strong move higher, which brings us, I think, to the next long-term target for me, I think, which is the September and October highs of around about 112. So I think if we can hold above 109.50 on euro dollar, then we can conceivably see 112 over the course of the next couple of weeks, perhaps, maybe even longer.
Yeah. I mean, again, I think it comes back to that response that we were
Yeah,
just, alluding to. I think right now the momentum is clearly in favour of dollar bears, and but personally I agree with you. I don't see that changing anytime
cool.
soon. But again, if we do see sort of the European Commission on some sort of economic suicide mission, then I would not want to be long of the common currency in any
Yeah.
way, shape, or form. So yeah, I think again it's just that and there's one of the things that's been interesting about the sort of impulsive nature of the moves today is there is still a big lack of conviction more broadly in terms of the outlook and in terms of how traders should be positioned, which makes me just a little bit nervous that if we do see a headline to the contrary of the base case that the market's now priced in,
Mm.
does this all end up reversing in the blink of an eye?